So, HackTheBox is another popular online platform for cybersecurity enthusiasts and professionals, and it provides the platform for users to enhance their penetration testing and hacking skills through a variety of challenges known as machines. So, in TryHackMe, we can see they called it rooms, and in HackTheBox, they called it machines. So, these machines are virtual environments simulating that real world scenario where user can practice hacking techniques in a legal and ethical manner. So Hack the Box offers like both free and premium membership as well, and free users have access to a limited number of machines and challenges, while premium members have access to a wider range of that content, including that more challenging machines and additional features. So users can progress through the challenges by exploiting vulnerabilities, escalating privileges, and ultimately gaining access to flags that are hidden within the machines. So these flags serves as that proof of successful exploitations and completion of the challenge. And Hack the Box also provides an active community forums where user can collaborate, share knowledge, and discuss techniques and methodologies. And this foster a collaborative that learning environment and helps user improve their skills through interaction with peers and more experienced member of the community. So again, we have to just sign up with that simple process with enter your mail id and username, and after the verification of your mail id you can just click on that sign in, and there are multiple options: stb academy, stb labs, stb business, and stb city apps. So we have to create that account for that stb labs. So whenever we go to that stb labs, and we can see there's an email id password option. So I've already created that to cyberpunk gmail.com, and my password, and stay signed in for a month. And we can see the dashboard, and there are another that multiple options: that starting point, season 5, machines, that Sherlock, tracks, rankings, pro labs. And pro labs, you can complete that actual path and you will get the certificate from that hackathon books like Dante, Rasta, and uh, that APT, which are related to that red teaming parts and all. So whenever we go to that machine part, we can see there are some that active machines, retired machines, machine to-do list, and scheduled box releases. So there are options like hard, medium, easy, medium, insane. So we can use as per the requirement of our practice. So in starting we can use that easy machines, and like in easy machines, like you can easily that enumerate, and you will like know the process of like how can we that enumerate for that user flag, and then for that privilege escalation for that root that machines. And retired machines, we have some limited access only, that's like free, and others are that paid, so we have to go that in premium version. So like upgrade to VIP. So whenever we go to that upgrade to VIP, now you have to that retired machine access, and through this retired machine access, you will get the actual that walkthrough also. So you can that do that like it's easy to like complete that boxes, and you will get an idea that how can we that finish that multiple boxes. So if you are go to that upgrade to VIP, and if you are targeting that you have like completed 2 or 3 boxes that retired machines, so in a month you'll get that 60 to 90 machines, and then you have idea like how ctf work and how privilege escalation or how techniques works. So it's like a like good investment for learn that cyber security or penetration testing things. So again, that connect to stb, and that starting points that for the machines starting points. So I just go to that machine, and again the same as that ovpn file, then us free and us free, and just download the vpn, and the same process is which we have like learn in that our last video for the TryHackMe, just download OpenVPN and you have that connected with your hack the box. So this is the simple like process to connect with the OpenVPN. And now in next videos we're gonna see like how can we the privilege escalate with the TryHackMe machines and the hack the box machines.